Hey everyone, it's Elaine at Larkin Lane Creations. Thanks for stopping by. One of the things that I'm given a lot is fabric samples. And for the most part, I find things to do with them, but I gotta tell you, they are a lot of work sometimes because they always come with a corner piece on them that tells what the fabric is, linen or polyester, cotton, or whatever blend. And sometimes that piece in the corner is actually glued to the fabric. I have washed pieces of fabric as many as 3 and 4 times to get that paper off of there. So I don't take anything, I don't cut it down any kind of way until it has gone through the washing machine and I'm satisfied with the paper that has been removed. So anyway, in this case, I was given a couple of frames. Someone just didn't want them anymore. And these smaller frames, I had actually gone to a scrapbook retreat here local, and the lady was cleaning out a lot of old frames that had come from her family, and she wanted the old pictures out of them, but didn't want those frames, and they were for the most part, kind of dollar store frames. So what do the people sitting near her say? Give them to Elaine. She'll figure out something to do with them. So that's where this comes into play. I just took a smaller piece of fabric, and in this case I actually glued it to the back of the glass, so it's really there, it's permanent. And then I added some of these magnetic clips, and I thought it's cute. You could put a little picture under there, or you could actually write a little note, and that way you can change it off and without a whole lot of behind the glass kind of taking the back off of things. But in this case, these are a little bit bigger pieces of fabric, and I got to thinking about it. I said, I don't need to glue those in there. There's nothing wrong with them. I did pull out the iron, make sure that I got them good and flat, and I use pinking shears. I learned a long time ago, if you cut fabric with pinking shears, you have a less chance of it raveling. Or unraveling, excuse me. And so that's what I did here. This is the part that had the grommets in it. As you can see, I've already pulled those out to use somewhere else. But this is the piece that I cut off, and then I have to cut it down, of course, to fit into the frames. And in this case, as I said, I did not glue those in on the glass, because that way, if you want to change out the fabric in them for holidays or whatever, and you want to put Christmas cards on there or whatever, this way you can at least change out the fabric. It is not glued in. So I just wanted to show you this idea, to use with some leftover fabric samples or leftover fabric that you have from a project you are working on. So again, thanks for stopping by. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Give me that thumbs up. You have a good day. Bye.